In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to show you how to send bonus commissions based on volume or deadlines. If you're managing commissions and want to automate this process effectively, you're in the right place. We've tested the most popular tools for this, and today I'll walk you through the best approach to set up these commissions. Stick around until the end to see how you can access a free trial for the software we'll be using to make it all happen. Let's dive right in. When you're looking to send bonus commissions, you need a clear structure. First, let's talk about volume-based bonuses. This means the more sales or leads someone generates, the higher their bonus. To set this up, start by defining your volume thresholds. For example, let's say you give a 5% bonus for 50 sales, 10% for 100, and so on. With the right software, you can set these thresholds in the system, and it will automatically calculate the commission based on the sales volume. Next, let's look at deadline-based bonuses. These are time-sensitive bonuses that reward employees or affiliates for hitting targets by a specific date. You can set up deadlines within the software, and it will track their progress toward the goal. For example, if you have a sales goal that must be met by the end of the quarter, you can assign a bonus that triggers when the target is reached before the deadline. The software will send notifications to keep everyone on track and ensure no one misses the deadline. To manage both of these bonus structures seamlessly, it's key to have automation in place. Using a software that integrates sales tracking with commission payout systems is crucial. When a rep reaches their sales volume or hits a deadline, the system automatically triggers the bonus payout without manual intervention. Now let's quickly review the steps to implement these bonuses. First, set your volume thresholds or deadlines clearly. Then, use the software to automate the process based on the criteria you've set. Finally, make sure to track performance regularly to ensure that everyone is getting paid correctly and on time. Remember, automating bonus commissions based on volume or deadlines not only saves you time but also ensures accuracy. The software we'll be using makes it easy to set this up and keep things running smoothly. Before I close off, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. You won't find this anywhere else, and it's perfect if you want to follow along and start automating your bonus commissions today. So, your key takeaway from this video: define your volume or deadline criteria, set up automation to track these targets, and use software to streamline the entire process. Review the steps, and you'll be set for success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to grab your free trial using the link in the description. See you in the next video.